Grammar exercise for beginners number 9. A, an, or some, part 6. Number 1. Would you like to be actress? Actress is a single countable noun starting with the vowel. So we put on. Would you like to be an actress? Number 2. Sam always gives his wife flowers. So this is plural. So we cannot use our on. Instead we use some. Sam always gives his wife some flowers. Number 3, birds. So bird is plural. So we put some with the capital letter. Some birds, for example, the penguin, cannot fly. Number 4, those are really nice trousers. So trousers is a plural word. So we use some. Those are some really nice trousers. Number 5, you need a visa to visit foreign countries. So countries, plural. So we put some. Number 6, I'm going to the mall. I need new clothes. So clothes is plural. We put some. I need some new clothes. I'm going to the mall. I need some new clothes. Number 7, shops are open on Sunday. So shops, plural. So we put some with a capital S. Some shops are open on Sunday. Number 8, when I was child. So child is singular countable noun. Put up. When I was a child, I didn't like rice. Number 9, I'm looking for a new job next month. So job is a singular countable. We put up. I'm looking for a new job next month. Number 10, they bought new laptops for the students. So laptops plural, so we put some. They bought some new laptops for the students. Okay, let's read the sentences one more time. Would you like to be an actress? Sam always gives his wife some flowers. Some birds, for example, the penguin, cannot fly. Those are some really nice trousers. You need a visa to visit some foreign countries. I'm going to the mall. I need some new clothes. Some shops are open on Sunday. When I was a child, I didn't like rice. I'm looking for a new job next month. They bought some new laptops for the students. Number 11, they have really nice flower beds. So flower beds is plural, so we put some. My sister saw accident on the way to school. An accident is a countable noun starting with the vowel, so put on. My sister saw an accident on the way to school. Number 13, we live in small house. So house is singular countable, so we put a. We live in a small house. Number 14, he usually reads newspapers at home. So newspapers plural, put some. He usually reads some newspapers at home. Number 15, I found $10 note in the car. So note is singular, so put a. I found a $10 note in the car. Number 16, she often wears orange t-shirt. T-shirt is singular, and then all starting with the vowel, put on. She often wears an orange t-shirt. Number 17, do you need new notebook for school? Notebook is countable singular, so a new notebook. Do you need a new notebook for school? Number 18, he sometimes writes articles, so plural, so we put some. And number 19, children is plural, so we put some. Some children learn really very quickly. And then number 20, we go there once a year. So year is singular, so we put we go there once a year to meet our friends. Let's read the sentences one more time. They have some really nice flower beds. My sister saw an accident on the way to school. We live in a small house. He usually reads some newspapers at home. I found a $10 note in the car. She often wears an orange t-shirt. Do you need a new notebook for school? He sometimes writes some articles. Some children learn really very quickly. We go there once a year to meet our friends.